Yo, how's it going everybody? And obviously you're here for the download. I don't blame you. Top link in the description for the UK based inspired, no it's not inspired, it is a UK based track from scratch project file, the Ableton project file. What do you need? I just used the Serum VST, I used Ableton 10 Suite. I'll pop up anything on the screen that I missed, but yeah, that is literally it. Honestly, don't have much to say about this one. Streaming links and download links will be in the description as well. That's for Spotify, Apple Music, Google Play, all those other good stuff. If you want to go listen on your preferred platform, I'll play the track very soon anyway. Literally think that's it. Download the project file, stream the track, have some fun with it. Don't upload the whole entire track as your own. I'll be watching you. If I get a copyright claim and I go listen to the track and it's the entire track, don't do that please. Like I say in every video, have fun, remix it, chop it up, use bits and pieces, just not the entire track and say it's your own. Just no. So yeah, hopefully you guys did have fun with the series. I certainly did. It was a blast. I never made UK based before. It seemed to turn out alright. So yeah, there's so much more coming on this channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. Oh, another shameless plug. Anyway, here's the final track. I'll see you next time. Have a great day and peace. Thank you.